We are now in the second week of the Larry Millete murder trial, and this morning testimony continues from a Chula Vista police officer who went to the Millete home after Maya's sister, Mary Chris, called 911 and reported her missing.
News 8's Kelly Hessedall joins us from the South Bay Courthouse with everything that's happened so far.
That's right. And first off, I want to point out that Mary Chris, Maya's sister, is now sitting in the courtroom listening to the testimony. After her testimony wrapped up last week, it appears that she is going to be able to sit in on this trial. So she is seated in the front row, kind of next to her husband. His arm is around her, listening to what has happened so far. But yes, that Chula Vista detective, Ryan Culver, he was back on the stand for a second day today. And as you mentioned, yes, he was one of the first responding officers to the home after Mary Chris reported Maya missing. So during cross-examination this morning, the defense went through his testimony from last week, saying you showed up at the house, Larry answered the door. The defense pointed out Larry let you in right away. He didn't argue. The Millete children were there at the time. Mary Chris was there at the time with her husband. And last week, the prosecution showed a video from Culver's body-worn camera in court. Culver testified that the house was a mess, that nearly every space was occupied with things. The defense today spent 20 minutes pointing out you spent a couple of hours at the house. You went through every room, went through the garage. You did not find any signs of foul play. Nothing was broken. Curtains weren't torn down. You did not find any signs of a struggle. Now, the defense pointed out you didn't even have a warrant, but Larry let you search everything. He gave you full access to his entire house. He gave you permission to search everything, basically insinuating why would he do that if he had something to hide. And so once his testimony ended, up next on the witness stand is a man named David Garber. He is a forensic expert, and he helped document a search warrant that was executed at the Millete home a couple of weeks after Maya disappeared. So you'll hear more on his testimony coming up. Kelly Hessedall, News 8.
You can watch our coverage of the Millete case. We'll be there in the courtroom through it all. Be sure to get our CBS 8 app on your phone or TV. Stream now for free.